faster and faster and faster. So our models, like how fast it's going right now, is no longer at the same rate as it's going next year if we lose more soil. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay, great. So what can be done? Like at this point, this is pretty, depressing, and I don't want you guys to all go home sad. So I want to have we're going to finally talk about phytoremediation. By the beach is different from a caliche soil or from a volcanic soil. They all have different activities. And it's pretty great that Utrecht University I went to, developed a low-cost method that actually anybody can do to see how active your soil is. So I encourage students, teachers, come talk to me afterwards if you're interested in doing this. It's basically getting 2 tea bags and putting them in the ground